Kitty, kitty. Ooh, Stanley's taking a nap. All that bird watching. We got Stanley back there. Hey guys, it's Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company, and welcome back to my daily vlog. So today, and right now, Matt is in the next room and he's putting up a TV in our room. I'm excited, the house is coming together. It's actually starting to feel like a home at this point. There's still tons of boxes and blank spaces and all that good stuff, and we will eventually get to it. But getting my room in place is an important one. So we're not quite there yet, but I'm gonna show you the progress today that we are making with our space. It's been fun bringing everything together. It's been fun junking and thrifting and just finding stuff on discount to be able to pull together a blank space and turn it into a warm space that is your home. So Matt's next door drilling. I was just holding the TV brackets up for him. In a few moments, I have to go back and hold the TV as he gets everything in place. In the meantime, I went downstairs, I put a load of laundry in the washer, and now I'm about to fold up some towels. I got a really cool spot. I was trying to identify, like, where do I want my towel spot to be? Marie Kondo says everything should have a home, and I like the idea of being able to find stuff, like, you knowing that your scissors are in a certain drawer, you know what I'm saying? When you come up the stairs, this is I guess it's a linen closet, or just a closet in general, that I'm gonna turn into a linen closet right here. I think it's perfect because if you continue on down the hallway, that's where all the rooms are. Our room is in there. We'll be going in there shortly, but in the meantime, before Matt needs my help again, I think I'm gonna fold up towels and put them in here. So I just Lysoled everything out inside here. I gotta tell you, moving into this house, like, they cleaned it. It is so nice to be able to, I'm still cleaning myself, but it's not dirty. It's awesome. I love it. I love what they did here. So this is a fun closet. I love all these solid doors. There is like a little, let me see if I can find it, guys. There's a little latch. Anybody have these closets? Like, there we go. Cool. This house was built in 1890, and it's just got some beautiful, beautiful little doors and hidden features. I have no idea what this was used for. What do you guys think that was? It's just like a little pull-out painted part of your shelf. Like, what would you do? Would you fold your stuff here and then put it in there? Because that is kind of like what I was thinking, except I'm gonna fold my laundry on the bed and then put all my stuff in here. So this is all painted. I just went ahead and washed it all down. It's ready to go. And guys, if you follow along here on the vlog, you will know that underneath all this carpet, bit by bit, we're tearing it up. Can you see what that is right there, guys? Keep following along and you can see that journey happen as the uncovering of all this stuff happens. So now let's go ahead, fold some towels and get ready to put them into place. Oh, I forgot. I bought this stuff, and I think you're supposed to, like, really put it in your kitchen. Maybe that's what it's really made for. But although it does say ideal for drawers and utility cabinets, that's exactly what I'm going to use this for. I got these teal liners at Walmart. I was saying that the teal was actually cheaper than the other colors. Go figure, because I love me some teal. So I'm going to cut a few pieces of this to fill my shelves out. It's nice to be able to have just something between the actual surface and, you know, what your clean towels are going on. It just really freshens it up. So let's do that. I might do the roll with my towels. Here's the question of the day. Do you just throw your towels in, or do you do the roll? Do you do the roll? All right, and the roll is done. I also grew up with Mom rolling her face cloth. She would find little things like this and she would just roll them up and put them into it. I love that idea too of having just a few out in your bathroom. So basically, it would just look like this. Super cute, right? For when you are just, you know, jazzing up your bathroom and you want to put a few things out, put the rest away and have just a few out next to your sink and stuff. Yeah, so love this. Scored this one and another style of it at my local Dollar Tree. I did a vlog where you may have seen that in my haul, and I think these are perfect for that. What do you think, Stanley? Yes, I think they're awesome. All right, I don't know about you, but it almost makes me want to go and wash some more towels. I'm liking what I'm seeing, and look at all this space. It is shaping up nicely. I got lots of extra space for like not towels, but you know, extra bed linens and stuff like that. So pillowcases, you know, all that good stuff. So it's gonna be good. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and open these heavyweight panels. It's a pair of them, and there's one especially, there's lots of windows in this house, but there's one window in particular in our bedroom that it is like the sunshine just waves from the outside of the window every morning you wake up, and it is in your face. And I like a nice dark room, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these up next. I also found this at Walmart, which is, believe it or not, it's a shower rod. The awesome thing about it, I love to cheat and use these, not have to put up hardware, is if you have a window where you can just kind of put these in the window. It just grips on either side and you can adjust it to whatever length you need. So it should be a very easy installation, just the way I like it. But I went and got a bit of a heavier one versus a small, thinner one, because these are heavyweight and I need something that's going to be hefty enough to hold them up. This is what I was trying to say. It's one of those extendable ones. You just extend them wall to wall and then twist until tight. So it's my way of cheating, not to have to deal with any screws and putting hardware. And these come in all kinds of colors, but look how pretty this is going to be right here. Boom, and she is ready to go up. Yay guys, look, Matt and Riley just worked hard and they put the TV in place in our room, and I love it. Listen, I love TV in my room. I know there are some people who are like, nope, no TV in the room. Me, I love my TV time. I love it, and I'm gonna say it loud and proud that I love me a good Netflix binge, and I also love my YouTube. Those are my two favorite channels that I love to go to. So what about you guys out there? And we've started to put some things here. So this is kind of like a mini reveal of kind of like where it is right now. And I love the fact that we can shop and just continue to pull it all together. We decided to go ahead and put the TV over the fireplace. We just felt like that would be a nice focal point. I think that honestly, before, the bed was against this wall right here, but because we were TV watchers, we decided to hang it right there. I put the bigger curtains here, and honestly, it really just fills it out, right? Because you don't need teeny tiny curtains just because you have smaller windows. You can do things that lead the eye, make it look taller, that sort of thing. So I just put the matching set over there. They're like a creamy oatmeal. And then this is the bedding that I found when I was out at Marshall's one night. I did a vlog on here and showed you guys that. I love the pattern that is in this bed spread. You see here, this is kind of the center. It's got that faded blue, which I think is beautiful. I love that. In this space, I'm trying to, like, you know, make it so it's nice and it works for both me and Matt, because this is our room, right? This is a headboard that we got on sale at Wayfair. Listen, I don't buy anything unless it's on sale, but I love this. In fact, when we got this in person, I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so much better than even on the internet. So I love this. We actually upgraded to a California king size bed. It is awesome, and I'm telling you, I'm loving it. It's got this, like, I don't know, what is that? It looks kind of like leather, I don't know, rivets in it. It's just absolutely riveting. It's beautiful. So I'm in love with the headboard, but yeah, like I say, it was a sale, and honestly, I think it's because the pictures didn't do it justice, and they sold on that sale day. We got one, and I'm thinking if anybody else saw how beautiful this was, there's no way they would still have them in stock. This is really cool because you have a beautiful view out the window, but we also have a really nice blind that we can pull down. I'll show you that in just a second. Anybody else out there, I gotta show you guys over here, okay? Because you guys might remember that this is a dresser that me and Anna Banana, my sister, found when we were out junking, and I loved it because it had all the hardware. It was absolutely beautiful. Look at all this beautiful wood, guys. Yes, I love to paint furniture, but I also appreciate fine wood too. So we love me that wood grain. My sister actually just Old Englished it before she left, and all that wood grain just came and popped, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So your eye loves it when you like replicate patterns and colors, and so even taking the little pillows that came with this bed right here, because there was a ton of throw pillows, and bringing them across the room and putting them over there in these little like storage boxes, which these like have doors that open, and these are cedar boxes, which is really cool. But I pulled that color over to that space. Guys, I can't wait to get the carpet up. It's gonna be amazing. Like I said, that's a project for another day, but it's getting there. Walmart right now has this collection of frames, and they range from $2 to $4, and I just love them so much. They're awesome. This is also a mirror that I found junk in. I love it. It's just painted white. Yes, it needs cleaned. Paired it right here with the dresser. I love the wood. I love the painted white, and I also love a little bit of greenery as well. Anybody else? Like, I love that combination. Even like moving one of these, I love these. I've been out buying a bunch of these. No, I can't kill them, so they work great. But honestly, see, like right there, right? If I were to put that on that dresser, we got the green, this is a light gray, white, and also white on the pot, and wood. I just think that's such a beautiful combination. Now that I moved that over there and really love it, now I need to find something for right there. But yeah, you guys get what I'm saying. There is one plant in this room that I have to be careful of, that I don't kill, and this is one that my sister gave me before she left. It's a bamboo plant, and she told me it's low maintenance, so I should be good with it. So Anna, tell me the directions. Is it time to water it yet? I don't know. I'm gonna have to go look this thing up. And this was a nice glass owl bank that I found out thrifting. So I do like bringing a little bit of glass in here and wood. Anytime you bring elements in from the outside, your space is gonna automatically feel cozy. This is a rug that I found at Gabe's. Guys, I see we're losing light here. This is a rug that I found at Gabe's last week for $9.99. Now out here is basically like, this is the closet area. And honestly, do you see how the bed sticks out over it? We just made a decision that we don't care. I mean, honestly, if I wanted to hang a curtain and maybe swing it this way, I could do that, or come up with something. But I knew that, and Matt too, that we wanted to be able to look directly at the TV. Oh, look at the TV right now, guys. It's an aquarium, and I don't have to feed the fish. Man, it just keeps getting better and better. It's a pocket door that opens up into a closet, and you can see my stuff hanging over there as well. It's nice because it's got a double mirror. Those curtains actually match these little pillows that I found as well, and I love them. These were like $7 and change at Walmart. I thought they were super cute. You can see we're still definitely moving in. My clothes are still in bins, and today I picked up some new hangers. 18 hangers for $1. Whoop whoop. And look at that, they're teal too. So I am going through everything and of course hanging it up in my closet. With that blind closed, this room gets nice and dark, and I love it. Before I go to bed, I'll close all the curtains, so tomorrow morning when I wake up, it's nice and dark in here. Even in the afternoons, it is so nice to come in here and close all the curtains and just to chillax. And now with that big TV right above our bed, oh my gosh, I might never leave. By the way, the color on the wall, I have no idea what color it is. It's the existing color that was in here, and I just decided to make use of it because I can deal with it. At least it's not some like obnoxious purple or something like that, right? But I like the serenity of that color, and quite honestly, eventually I'll freshen up the room and paint it my own color, but for right now, I think it is awesome. I just think there's just so much fun to be had going out and finding stuff, especially if you can junk and thrift for it, and find things on sale, beautiful things on sale that you don't have to pay full price for, and then just pull it all together. I'm pretty sure I would be absolutely bored if I didn't have those things to do, because that's part of the excitement of just, you know, pulling your house together. I was saying to somebody who came into my store this weekend that, you know, I really enjoy just all the things that you do to make a house a home. Like, I would not want to skip over that part. I love the fact, like tonight, for example, just getting the dining room table in place. You guys saw that this week in the vlog, and being able to sit down for our first meal at the table that we cooked. So tonight I made homemade spaghetti and meatballs. Guess what I'm trying to say is that there is just so much joy in making your house a home, no matter where you live, no matter where you got. And you don't need to have a lot to make a beautiful home or to make it cozy and inviting. Just little things that you can do. All right, guys, I will keep you updated with the progress here in my room and throughout the house. Who knows what we will get into tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below. Do you like what you see? Is it coming together? I think I'm gonna go relax, and I can't wait to watch my YouTube tonight.